Here we are, everyone, with a new topic. We're off of that graphing for now, and we're going to be solving equations. And you can see up here it says solving two-step equations, and these are all going to be two steps. I have our two steps written here, and I'll kind of show you as we go. But the goal is to get x all by itself, and I already have it written there. And I'll show you how to do that. But what we're trying to answer, and I'll just find the equal sign there, is this says 5 times some number plus 8 equals 23. Now you might be able to just figure it out, but that gets harder to do when you start seeing things like that and like down here at the bottom. So we have to have a method for doing this. So first, if I want x by itself, I always save that number that's being multiplied or divided for last. I always cancel this number first. So I look on the left and I see positive 8. So to cancel that, I do the opposite. I will do minus 8. And since it's an equal sign, an equation, whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. So I'm showing my work. I draw a line across here because I'm subtracting up and down. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So basically, the 8's are gone over there. I still have my 5x, though. I just bring it down. Now on the right, 23 minus 8 is 15. You can probably see here the answer is 3 because it says 5 times some number is 15. But we're going to show our work. You're going to divide both sides by 5. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 1 times x is x. And over here is where you get your answer from, and it is 3. So x is 3. And let's check it. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 8 is 23. See, 3 is the number that makes that equation true. Only 3 will give us 23 on the left side of the equal sign. Okay, so that's what I'm going to start by doing. I find the equal sign. Okay, there's the variable p. I'll save this for last. I want to cancel a minus 4. What do you think I would do to cancel minus 4? Hopefully you're thinking add 4. So I looked on the left. I have to add 4 over here. I draw my line to separate things. Negative 4 and positive 4 cancel out. Bring down negative 2p. On the right, I do 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, this negative 2 and the variable p are connected with multiplication. So I'm going to divide here. Now, I'm not going to divide by positive 2. I want to divide by negative 2. And the reason is negative divided by negative is positive. See, they cancel out the positive 1. And on the right, 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. So that's what half of the problems will look like on the assignment. Well, actually a little more than half, but some of them are going to look like this one. So we'll do a couple here. We're not going to do all of these problems for the notes. This is basically the same thing. I still want to cancel that 8. So I'm going to do that first by subtraction because that's plus 8. So what you do on one side, you always do on the other. I know I said that already, but that's really important. These 8's cancel. Bring down k over 6. 5 minus 8 is negative 3. That doesn't say 8 minus 5. It says 5 minus 8. Okay, now I'm here. Now I'm not going to divide. This is already division by 6. What's the opposite of division by 6? Again, I hope you're thinking multiply by 6. So that's why I drew the parentheses. I do it on both sides. So on the left, they cancel out. K is all by itself. And on the right, I get my answer. Negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. And I could check this one also. I put negative 18 right here. Negative 18 divided by 6 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 8 is 5. I almost said negative 5, but it's 5. So, one more like that one. We will do number 7. So, find the equal sign. I'm going to cancel the 4. That's an S over 3. That just comes down. These 4's cancel. 2 plus 4 is 6. Similar numbers to our last one, but I want to cancel this division by 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3. They cancel there, and I get my solution. We call it the answer, but really it's called the solution to the equation. It's the one number that makes this work out true. Okay, we're already at 5.5 minutes. I want you to try the assignment, which is the same thing. Show your work. You should get all whole number answers. They all divide evenly. If you need help, let me know, and see you next time.